What's the meaning of affidavit? Affidavit. 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 An affidavit is a written statement made under oath or affirmation by an individual. Typically used as evidence in a court of law, it serves as a sworn testimony to the truthfulness of the statement contained within it. Affidavits are commonly used in legal proceedings to present evidence and establish the facts of a case. They can also be used in various other situations where a written statement made under oath is required, such as immigration applications or financial transactions. Overall, an affidavit is a powerful legal tool that carries significant weight in legal proceedings.